Continuing coverage of CES 2025, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, and we're here at NOLA. Let's just turn it around this way. This is the NOLA system, the no-wash laundry system. Let me show you how it works here. I'm gonna set this down right here and get in people's way, unfortunately, because this is basically kind of the unit. And the idea is that there are 6 units inside of here. So what I would do is, I have some dirty clothes. I would go and I would fill everything out. I put my clothes into here. It would then go to one of the 6 pods that are in this washing unit and then wash the clothes and then dry the clothes. I'm sorry, I just messed everything up there. This is in production. But anyway, the whole point is that it would then wash it, it would then dry it. We come in about 20 minutes later, and then you would open that up, and that's where your clothes would be. I'm assuming you'd say, hey, I'm here, and then it would deliver your clothes rather than it just dropping into the end there. And as you can see, he pressed the button that brought up the portal so you can collect your clothes. Now, the idea of this is in its initial phases. They're looking for places to put this in here. So this would be perfect for a university. This would be perfect for, maybe in a company. If you like, for instance, we're in Las Vegas. We're here for a trip. Sometimes I have to get my clothes washed because I'm here for a little bit longer. Or if you're overseas or anything like that, instead of going to a laundromat, this thing could be in the lobby of a hotel. This thing could be in the lobby of anywhere. And you just bring in your bag of clothes, you fill out all the information, and then you put your clothes in. You tell it how much you want to wash. Usually the wash is about 5 to 10 minutes, and a dry is about 20 minutes. So then about 30 to 40 minutes later, you come back and then bring it in there. And if there's a line of people, if you want to wash your clothes, somebody else wants to wash your clothes, up to 6 people can have their clothes washed at the same time. Clothes go in 2 separate pods. And then when they're ready to go, they dump all the clothes back out and then come into this bottom unit right there. Once again, this is called the No Laundry by Washin. No Laundry by Washin, which is a very interesting idea. It's a French company, very interesting idea to get your clothes, just small amounts of clothes washed for what you need. Like I said, people travel all the time and they just need their underwear, their socks, maybe a pair of pants washed. And that's the whole idea of this device. That is the whole idea of Eureka Park at CES 2025, where we get to see the cool ideas of companies that might not be out yet, looking for people to help them get out to where they need to, and a lot more. So lots of stuff like this you'll see at CES, and I love it, and I can't wait to see how this company progresses. So you can check out NOLA, the No Laundry by Washin, and let me know what you think over at Geekazine.com or YouTube.com/Geekazine, where you can like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification so you know when the next video comes out, and so I can get my wings. And until next time, you guys geek out and keep your laundry washed with NOLA.